One day on Shodor the engines were mewing at their sheds. Then Sir Tarfun Giant pulled up.
I need a Sigma to deliver some big juicy cake to the strip club. Thomas, I chose you to take this delivery because you're the main character.
The Jamal the helicopter pulled up with some thick juicy cake.
Well, sir, thank you. I'll huff and I'll puff and zest my best. I'll have the juiciest cake, thicker than the rest.
Thomas left and was making some Sigma time. His boiler was zesting, his pistons were squirting. Thomas raced up to the big station and saw his best friend Percy. But between you and me, Thomas had smelly fat crush on Percy.
Hi Thomas, that's some fine cake you got there. Be careful, I heard there is a juicy Sigma on the line.
Percy, you worrying too much. I'll huff and I'll puff and zest my best. I'll have the juiciest cake, thicker than the rest.
So cheeky bastard zested off. But then there was trouble. A juicy Sigma was on the line. Conveniently the fat ass saw hi.
Thomas, I am so fucking mad. And look, you ruined the juicy cake.
Damn. Bitch, I'm sorry, stop attacking me.
On the way home, useless fucker crashed into more mysterious substance.
Wow, Thomas, I'm so pissed. Let's get you out of there.
Wow, shorty TYSM. Wow, I hope you guys forgive me for being L Beta Sigma earlier. I've learned my lesson and can't wait to start work again.
Work? Nah, we just pulled you out for the scrap metal.
Wait, what?